Hello and welcome to LexiEnglish. In today's lesson, we will learn 10 polite English sentences that you can use in daily life. Polite English makes you sound respectful, educated, and confident. After I say the sentence twice, you repeat it. I will give you 5 seconds each time. Speak clearly and confidently. Let's begin. Sentence 1. Excuse me. Excuse me. We use this to get someone's attention politely. For example, if someone is standing in your way, you can say, "Excuse me." If you want to ask a stranger a question, you first say, "Excuse me." Sentence 2. Could you please help me? Could you please help me? We use this when asking for help in a polite way. For example, in a store you can say, "Could you please help me find this item?" It sounds softer and more respectful than just saying, "Help me." Sentence 3. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We use this to show strong gratitude. For example, when someone gives you a gift, you say, "Thank you very much." It shows more appreciation than just saying thanks. Sentence 4. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. We use this when someone does something special for us. For example, if a friend helps you with your work, you can say, "I really appreciate it." This shows sincere gratitude. Sentence 5. Would you mind repeating that? Would you mind repeating that? We use this when we did not hear clearly. For example, during a phone call, if the voice is unclear, you can say, "Would you mind repeating that?" This sounds more polite than saying, "Say it again." Sentence 6. Please take your time. Please take your time. We use this when we don't want someone to hurry. For example, if someone is searching for information for you, you can say, "Please take your time." It shows patience and politeness. Sentence 7. That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you. We say this when someone does something nice. For example, if someone opens the door for you, you can say, "That's very kind of you." It makes you sound warm and respectful. Sentence 8. I'm sorry for the delay. I'm sorry for the delay. We use this when we are late or respond late. For example, if you reply late to a message, you can say, "I'm sorry for the delay." It shows responsibility. Sentence 9. May I ask you something? May I ask you something? We use this before asking a question politely. For example, before asking your teacher something, you can say, "May I ask you something?" This prepares the listener. Sentence 10. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. We use this when saying goodbye politely. For example, after talking to a customer or friend, you say, "Have a nice day." It leaves a positive impression. Practice these sentences daily. Polite English improves your personality and confidence. Keep learning with LexiEnglish. See you in the next lesson.